starting with 60, 70, 80, and 90, as well as 100. And even a better thing to know about today is that if you're joining us here and you've already seen the first episode, episode 2, which we were talking about numbers 0 through 50, we technically went to 59. Well, today we're technically going to 199. And so I want you to make sure you stick around for that, as well as the cool activities, the interactive activities that we're going to do here. They're somewhat interactive, but hey, you get them done and we'll show you how we can correct them or check them for you. All right. El primer número, damas y caballeros, es 60. Repita, 60. Notice the color coordination right here, ladies and gentlemen. I want to make sure you pick up on that and see what it is after I show you the next exact number. Make sure you have this in your notebook here. If not, pause the screen as always. Here we have 70. Repita, 70. I know you see it, ladies and gentlemen. I know you see it. So if you want to make sure you are understanding what I'm putting down right here, seis with 60, right? Seis with 60. And I'm going to go back so you can see what I'm talking about here, right? Seis. Got two S's in it, right? And then, of course, we've got 60, two S's, right? Then we've got 70. That S and that T comes from siete, the S and T right there as well. So that's going to give you a quick reminder. If you ever get confused, always listen for that that T in that 70. All right, damas y caballeros, aquí tenemos 80 en español, 80, 80. Y también tenemos 90, repita, 90. And then our last number for today, nuestro número, 100. Repita, 100. All right, 100. And ladies and gentlemen, you might be saying, well, wait a minute, Profe. What about 61 through 69, 71 through 79, 81 through 89, 91 through 99? Ladies and gentlemen, it's not hard at all. If you remember our steps from the last episode, episode 2, all right, we said that for 31 through 59, you had to write it out in 3 separate words, right? So we're following that rule from 61 to 99. It's the same exact thing. So if we take a look, this is what you have to know: the number, the word and then your single digit that you want to replace the 0 with. So 61, 61, 62, 62, 73, 73. You get the idea, ladies and gentlemen, right? 84, right? So you know what's coming up. You know what we got. We're talking about practice, damas y caballeros. Y en esta actividad que se llama Dímelo, I'm going to give you a couple of numbers here. I want you to jot those numbers down into un cuaderno, and then I want you to add them into the comment section below. All right, so make sure you take a look here. We've got some práctica. This is a little loteria game, right? Un juego de lotería. All right, I'm going to give you these numbers, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to jot down the number in Spanish and then put these numbers in the order that you see them popping up on the screen in the comment section below. Once again, pause the screen so that you can get this information down and then add your information, your answers to the comment section below. All right, damas y caballeros, nuestra actividad número dos. This is activity number 2 right here. It's the same activity from the phone book last week, right? Except for this time, I'm giving you couplets, or I'm giving you combined numbers like 34, 24, 54. So now instead of us doing single digits, we're going to practice with your whole digits. Now, the kicker is this: I'm not going to give you 5 here for the sake of time. We're only going to do about 3, right? So I've got my 3 lined up. All right, I know which one I want to do. So we're going to do 3 just to see. And then of course you can quiz yourself on your own here, ladies and gentlemen. This is my gift to you. All right. Número 1, here we go. Mi número de teléfono es 49 21 48 08. Mi número de teléfono es 49 21 48 08. All right. Número 2. Mi número de teléfono es 4301 9203. All right. Y número 3. Mi número de teléfono es 46 38 31 23. Ladies and gentlemen, I know you did well on that. Know you did. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it moving here. All right. Aquí tenemos ¿Sabías? Did you know? ¿Sabías? Check this out. Damas y caballeros, this is something that you need to know to go beyond 100 in your counting when it comes to 101 and 199, those numbers in between. The word or the number cien changes from cien to ciento when we are counting above 100. All right. So, what we're saying here is this: if you're saying 101, you've got to use ciento. You can no longer say cien. All right. So, for 101, ciento uno. 111, ciento once. 116, ciento dieciséis. 137, ciento treinta y siete. 187 or 187, little jokey joke. Ciento ochenta y siete. All right. So see how we did that. I want you to practice those. I don't have any more practice for you, but of course you can practice various numbers doing that on your own.